Could a glamorous Hollywood premiere party take a truly chilling turn for one of its biggest stars? Get ready, because insiders are buzzing about the absolutely shocking allegations surrounding reality TV legend Lisa Rinna at the Traitors Season 4 premiere. Newly surfaced photos from the night paint a disturbing picture of Rinna looking incredibly vacant and seemingly propped up by co-stars, including Colton Underwood. According to sources close to the situation, it was Colton who noticed something was terribly wrong with Lisa, despite their well-documented on-screen beef. He reportedly knew she hadn't consumed much alcohol, yet her appearance suggested severe inebriation, prompting him to immediately alert her team. Talk about unexpected heroics amidst the drama. Ultimately, the plot thickens as it remains unclear if police were involved or if Lisa even went to the hospital, leaving fans with more questions than answers about this unbelievable turn of events. This shocking incident is a stark reminder that even the most glittering Hollywood events can hide a dark side. So what really happened that night? For all the latest twists, behind-the-scenes drama, and exclusive celebrity scoops, you absolutely need to hit that subscribe button right now.
Your go-to source for Hollywood gossip. Subscribe for unbiased reporting.